One more thing I noticed in this application is when we click this username to open the drop-down menu, note this hash in the URL. We don't want this to be here because it causes unwanted behavior. Let me show you what I mean. So when I click, let's say manage orders, we go to this page, admin order works. If I click this, did you see what happened? So earlier I set this href attribute here before applying the ng bootstrap directives. So back in our template, here's our toggler and here is the href attribute. I'm going to delete this, save, and back into browser. Now let's go to manage orders. So we have admin orders works. If I click this to open the drop-down menu, we don't have that unwanted behavior. The only issue we have here is the icon of the cursor. We want this to look clickable. So let's open up the CSS file for this component. That is bs.nav.css. Here I'm going to apply a rule for an element with the class dropdown-toggle. I'm going to set the cursor to pointer. Now back in the browser, when we hover here, it looks clickable. Beautiful. Now we also have a similar issue with our brand name here. This is set to a hashtag, so we need to change this to the root of the website. So back in our template, this is our anchor. I'm going to change this to router link and set it to the root of the website. Let's test it one more time. So let's go to shopping cart, click the brand. Beautiful. In fact, we no longer need this home link here because we can always navigate to the home page by clicking the brand name. So back in our template, let's simplify this and remove this list item where we have the home link. That's better. And one final look. This is the end result. Now, one final thing before we finish this lecture is that I noticed this My Orders link doesn't work because we have not defined this route. So back in app module, I'm going to add a new route with the path my/orders. And I'm going to set this to my orders component. Let's test this. So my orders, beautiful. Now, what if we go to an invalid URL? Something that doesn't exist, non-existing. We automatically get redirected back to the home page. So our application is good enough for this iteration. In the next lecture, we're going to deploy this to Firebase.